In today's video, I am going to teach you how to publish your Wix website. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening the website you want to publish from your Wix dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard for that site, click Design Site to open the Wix editor. Before publishing, make sure your website is fully edited and that any recent changes have been saved. It is important to review your content, layout, images, and any other updates you have made, so everything is ready to go live. Next, click the Preview button. This lets you see how your website will look to visitors before it is published. Take a moment to check each section carefully. Make sure the text appears correctly, images load properly, and the overall design looks the way you want. If you notice anything that needs to be changed, return to the editor and make those final updates. Once your edits are complete, save your work again so your latest version is ready for publishing. When you are ready to make your site live, go to the top right corner of the Wix editor and click the Publish button. Wix may show you a prompt with your website address and publishing settings. Review that information carefully to confirm that everything looks correct. After that, confirm that you want to publish your website. Wix will then begin the publishing process. This usually only takes a short time. Wait for the platform to finish so your website can be fully updated and available online. Once publishing is complete, click View Site. This will open the live version of your website. Check the published site to make sure everything is displayed correctly. Look through the main pages, review the formatting, and confirm that the final version matches what you saw in the preview. If something does not look right, you can always return to the editor, make changes, save them, and publish again. This helps ensure that your visitors always see the version of the website you want them to see. Publishing your Wix website is a simple process once your design is complete. Open your site from the dashboard, enter the editor, preview your work, make any last changes, and then publish it live. After that, view the site and confirm that everything is working properly. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.